Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So it's Amaya Raine Day, and the theme for May is yellow. So I thought I would try to make a pair of yellow shoes for my Amaya, and these soles are some that Marna had just sent me. And what I have on here right now is some masking tape that's just kind of like rolled up, so it's sticky kind of on both sides. I don't really want to use a double-sided tape yet because I'm going to be taking it on and off and on and off a little bit while I do these. But these are kind of like a sole that I have roughly, probably too roughly trimmed down to size. This one was worse, but it's been a while since I cut this stuff. So anyway, it'll fit and not show too much over the side. But what I'm going to do is I've actually already measured these to make sure that they will fit around Amaya's foot. But before I do that, I like the yellow polka dot. I have some of this that I actually want to glue in the centers here, so it's got a little bit of a decoration on it. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm not gonna make you watch me glue it on here or anything, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's glued. Just to show you, I measured these and I've got them cut to length now, and I'm gonna lay down some glue on here and then put the ribbon on there. So I'm using this craft bond, and this is the tip. And one thing I didn't notice until I started doing this, the polka dots, they've got a line that goes right down the center. So I just followed that center line with the glue, and I'll know exactly where to lay the ribbon. Whoops. That's why I didn't want to film this, but we'll get it on there. So I think I've got those on there pretty straight. I am going to let those dry for a while before I actually glue them on to the sole. So I'm going to pause now, and I'll be back. So I just looked. This is Elmer's Glue Craft Bond. Dries clear. Made in China. I guess I better get me some more. Nah, that'll probably last me for quite a while. But really, Elmer's? Bring it back. As an update this morning, I wanted to let you know that after this dried and I went to flex this, it just popped off, and you can see where some of it is still on the backside here. It doesn't play nice. So what I ended up doing was using some E6000 because it is flexible. Let's see, what does this stuff say it's made? I'm not sure. I don't. It doesn't say made in China. Anyway, that's what I used, and I'm heating up the glue gun now because this is as dry as it's going to get, and I don't have much time till the video is supposed to be up. So it looks like some glue is actually starting to go now. So what I'm going to do is stick some right here. I'm going to put this on, put it around her foot. See if I can get it here. Bring it around. and get that in there. So we will just go ahead and I hate to just get it stable. I don't know how far that got or not, but I've got the ribbon now on that one, and we're going to call this one done too. And then, whoops, this one is not done. I hate hot glue. I really do. I hate hot glue. So this one should be all right now. Oops. I have to get my new glue stick in here. And what I'm trying to do is high temp as much of this down in here as possible, so I can get the shoe on. I'm getting strings everywhere, but I'm holding this one on right now. Getting it all over my hands. Oops, getting it on my phone. Don't know how long this is going to take to dry. Hopefully not long. Okay, there's one pair. Get the hairs off. And I'm starting to glue the other pair. Just putting lots and lots of glue. And holding this on here in hopes that it dries pretty quick. That one seems to be done. And this one seems to be done. So, I mean, they're not perfect and they're not near as good as Marna's because she's been making doll shoes a lot longer than I have. But there's one. And there's one. And now Amaya has some wonderful yellow shoes. Whoops, this one needs to be a little tighter. Wonder if I can do that. No, I might pop it off later and try to get it in there. But she's got some wonderful yellow shoes now that she can wear. And I will have to pop that off. But I just wanted to get some shoes up. And hopefully y'all will have a great day. I can't wait to see what everybody else does for Yellow for Amaya Raine Day. Talk to you later. Bye.